Hello, Proximity Math here, and today I'm going to do the 2013 Team Stanford Math Tournament number 11. Let B be a positive real number, and let A sub n be the sequence of real numbers defined by first three terms being 1, and then this recurrence relation for all n greater than 3. Okay, so find the smallest value of B such that this diverges. And if you have this diverging, that means it has to it has to have the terms being constant, or it has to have the terms being the same. Or it could even be like the harmonic series. Like, first of all, we have a series or sequence 1, 1, 1, and then we have this relation. So then you can have A4 and then A5 and so on. Basically, the best thing you can do here is the root test, which is the first thing you might try. Okay. Or actually the ratio test, because there's a 2 to the n in the denominator. So if you have the ratio equal to 1, alright, so let's say equal to 1, then it's convergent. So we need the ratio of consecutive terms to be greater or equal to 1 for it to diverge. So this is the ratio of two consecutive terms. And then this is just equal to a of n over the root of the previous term by basic algebra, and then this goes in the denominator to the n, and this goes in the numerator to the n minus 1. And these cancel, so this is actually just 2. Okay, and we need this to be greater or equal to 1. Both sides by 2, and we get that we need this to be greater or equal to 2. And then if we square both sides, we have that we need a base of n to be greater or equal to 4 times the previous term. Okay. Now, given this relation, actually, if you find the closed form formula for this recurrence, then you could easily get this condition and solve it. So we have, if you use the characteristic equation, you would get c cubed, and then move the right hand side to the left, minus c squared minus c minus b equals 0. So then what you're going to get is basically some form which is lambda times c to the n for 1c, and then some other c and so on. But let's assume that 1c is dominant, like 1 will be the biggest. Then the other ones will be insignificant when we take the ratio. So then the biggest root c of the characteristic equation will be the approximate ratio of consecutive terms. So this will go to c. And if we want this to be greater or equal to 4, then if we can set c to 4, and when we set c to 4, we get 64 minus 16 minus 4 minus b. And since we want c to be greater or equal to 4, let's see, this is less or equal to 0, Is it? Yeah. It's less or equal to 0. But that doesn't matter. You're just solving an equation. So we have 44 minus b is less or equal to 0. Or we have that b is greater or equal to 44. Because for any bigger value, then basically you would have, it would still diverge because you have a bigger ratio. Okay. And this is our final answer. Thanks for watching.